Welcome back to Rachel B. the Healthy Wee. Today we're going to be making the best mint chocolate chip cookies you've ever tasted. These are the ingredients we're going to use today. If you'd like to make this a vegan recipe, simply replace the melted butter with coconut oil and use an egg replacer for the egg. We're going to go ahead and mix all of our sugar and butter together until we have a nice light yellow paste. Then we're going to add in our egg and our extracts. Once we have those thoroughly mixed and combined, then we're going to go ahead and add in all the dry ingredients. Once that's mixed into a nice dough, we'll go ahead and hand fold in the chocolate chips. Once the chocolate chips have been hand folded in and our dough is nice and prepared, we'll go ahead and start forming our cookies. I did a nice regular size cookie, and that made about 12 to 14 cookies because I made a few small ones. We're going to go ahead and form them into a ball and then spread them out just by smushing them down since they don't spread a lot while they're cooking. We're going to place these in a 350-degree oven, and today with my size cookies that'll take about 12 to 15 minutes to cook. As you can see here, my small cookies I didn't allow to brown at all, and they have a nice soft bake texture. On the larger cookies I did allow them to go a little longer, and they got a little browning on the edges and on the bottom, and this gives you a crisp bottom with a soft baked top. I hope you try this recipe, and the sky's the limit with flavors, as you can use it as a base for many different types of cookies. Enjoy, have fun with it, and thanks for watching!